Hi everyone, Asong Filipina here and Hi everyone, Asong Filipina here and I wear this sandal for my walking short video and also in the car pedal. So today I'm going to take this off and change it to silver stiletto heels. So I'm gonna wear that by my short walking video. And now I'm going to take this off. So I have my tourings here. I have my touring and anklet and still read to nail polish today. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to change to blue. That's all for now and more sandals to wear. So hope to see you next video. Bye-bye, Gabi.